In this video, I'll show you how to transfer a CapCut project from one PC to another PC. So the first thing you need to do is just head over to the CapCut application and you need to open the project that you want to move. Now from here, make sure you don't have any of the media footage selected. So I'm just going to click in this black space and then you need to select modify from the right hand side. From here, make sure you have copy media to project selected and then hit save. And once you've done this, you'll then need to take note of this file path in the right hand side. So this is going to tell us where our project is saved and we're about to head over to this folder now. So your project is most likely saved in a folder called app data. Now to access this folder, you just need to head over to the start menu, search for run, click on the run icon and then just type in app data and hit enter. So that's going to take you over to the app data folder and then from here we can just copy this file path. So I'm going to double click on local, scroll down and select CapCut inside of user data in the projects folder. And then mine's this top folder here. I'm going to double click on this. And this folder here corresponds to this number, which is going to be where our project is saved. So what we're going to do is just right click on this folder and select the copy button up here. Then head over to your desktop and just right click and paste this folder over to your desktop. So now that we have our project files, we now need to convert this into a zip file so we can send it over to our other computer. So what we're going to do is just right click on this folder and then we're just going to select send to and a zip folder. So once you've zipped your folder, if we double click on this, this should contain the contents of your CapCut project. And now you'll be able to send this zip file to whoever you want to send it to, whether that be another computer or another person. And then once the recipient receives this file, the first thing they'll need to do is extract this zip folder. So they'll just need to double click on the zip, find the folder inside, and then just drag this over to their desktop. And what this will do is extract the zip file. So now we have our folder again. And then all they simply need to do is move this folder into the CapCut projects. Now I've just demonstrated where you'll find this projects folder. So if we come back over to the CapCut application, you can see this is the path for this current computer. So depending on what computer and what device you're transferring this over to, you'll need to once again look at the path and navigate to that folder. Now if it's on another Windows computer, it's likely going to be the same path. So all you would need to do is head back over to that app data folder, go through all the different folders again until we come to the end, and then you'll just need to drag the folder back into the projects. And then when you load up your CapCut, your project will be there. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.